how to download the Google Pay app. Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can download the Google Pay application. So how do you go about it? Normally, while downloading an application, you have to go to your Play Store or to your App Store. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I would advise that you go to your Chrome browser or to any web browser of your choice. And once you're on the browser's page, the next step will be for you to click on the search box and then type um, Google Pay download, right? Google Pay app. Just type it out, and then the application will be displayed with an option for you to download the application. So all you need to do is to click on the application, and then you'll be directed to the link where you can go ahead and download it. So on this page, you'll see the install icon. So go ahead, click on it, install the icon, install the application, and then once it has been downloaded, the application will be automatically installed on your mobile phone, and then you can use it to do whatever you want it to do. It is that simple. So it is how you can download the Google Play application, also known as Google Wallet, to your mobile phone. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.